Welcome back to Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast, the show where we dig deep into the science, the strategy, and the real-world solutions behind industrial mixing technology. I'm glad you are here today because we are getting into something that every manufacturer working with bulk containers needs to understand. We are talking about the engineering that makes true IBC tote mixing work. Not just basic agitation, not just spinning a blade around and hoping for the best, but precision-engineered systems designed to deliver consistent, repeatable results every single time. Whether you are blending chemical additives, distributing colorants, suspending particles, or working with thick pastes, what happens inside that tote matters enormously to your bottom line. So let us get into it.
Here's a truth that a lot of manufacturers learn the hard way. Not all mixing equipment is created equal. When you are working with intermediate bulk containers, the stakes are high. Inconsistent blending can compromise product quality, waste expensive raw materials, and trigger costly production delays that ripple across your entire operation. That is exactly the problem that EvenMix, based right out of Cleveland, Ohio, was built to solve. So what actually separates a true IBC tote mixer from a standard agitation setup? The answer lives in the engineering. And we are not talking about surface level differences here. We are talking about a fundamentally different approach that begins with computational fluid dynamics modeling and ends with field-tested mechanical designs that have been proven across diverse industrial applications. Let us walk through the core engineering principles that drive effective IBC tote mixing. First, there is impeller design. This is where so much of the magic happens, and it is also where so many generic systems fall short. The geometry of your impeller directly influences the flow patterns created inside the container. Different geometries are optimized for different fluid viscosities and particle suspension requirements. A low-viscosity liquid behaves entirely differently from a thick paste, and your impeller needs to account for that. EvenMix engineers their impeller design specifically around the application, not as a one-size-fits-all afterthought. Second, we have to talk about dead zones. Dead zones are those areas inside a bulk container where unmixed material accumulates because the flow pattern simply does not reach them. They are the silent enemy of uniform blending. EvenMix systems are engineered to create predictable flow patterns that minimize dead zones and ensure comprehensive mixing coverage throughout the entire container, not just in the regions closest to the impeller. Third, speed, duration, and agitation intensity all have to align with your specific product requirements. Push too hard and you risk degrading sensitive materials. Move too slowly and you end up with incomplete blending. EvenMix equipment features adjustable parameters so operators can customize mixing protocols to match their exact application. That flexibility is not just a nice feature, it is a core part of the engineering philosophy. Fourth, material compatibility is non-negotiable. The equipment has to work harmoniously with the fluids and substances it contacts. EvenMix verifies compatibility across a wide range of materials, from low-viscosity liquids all the way through thick suspensions and pastes, ensuring that performance does not degrade over time due to material interaction issues. Now here's something worth highlighting about how EvenMix approaches this work. As one of their company spokespeople put it directly, and I think this really captures their mindset. They said their engineering team focuses on solving real mixing challenges that clients encounter during daily operations. They recognize that one-size-fits-all equipment often underperforms, so their solutions prioritize adaptability alongside consistent performance standards. That is not marketing language. That is an engineering commitment, and it shows in how their systems perform in the field. EvenMix tote mixer and drum mixer systems undergo rigorous testing to verify mixing homogeneity, power consumption efficiency, and long-term durability. The company puts equal emphasis on maintenance accessibility during the design phase, because equipment that is difficult to maintain becomes equipment that gets neglected, and neglected equipment fails at the worst possible moment. The industries benefiting from this approach span a wide range. Pharmaceuticals, coatings manufacturers, food processors, and specialty chemical producers all rely on EvenMix technology. Anywhere that precision distribution of additives, colorants, thickeners, or suspended particles is critical to the final product, EvenMix has a solution engineered to meet that challenge. And here's the practical side. EvenMix systems are designed to integrate seamlessly into existing production workflows. You do not need to tear apart your facility or undertake major infrastructure modifications to bring this technology online. That is a significant operational advantage for manufacturers who cannot afford extended downtime during equipment transitions. If you are evaluating new mixing equipment right now, here are the criteria you absolutely need to be measuring against. Mixing homogeneity across the full container volume. Power consumption efficiency under your actual operating conditions. Compatibility with your specific fluid types and viscosity ranges. Equipment durability over the long term. And maintenance accessibility that keeps downtime to a minimum. EvenMix engineers every system with all of those criteria in mind simultaneously, not as competing priorities, but as integrated requirements of a complete solution.
That brings us to the close of today's episode of Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast. What we explored today really underscores why the engineering behind your IBC Tote Mixer is not a detail to be treated lightly. It is the foundation of product consistency, operational efficiency, and long-term profitability. EvenMix brings the fluid dynamics expertise, the field-tested mechanical designs, and the application-specific customization to make sure your bulk container mixing delivers exactly what your production demands. If you want to learn more about EvenMix IBC mixer systems, tote mixing solutions, or drum mixer technology, head over to evenmix.com. You can also reach the team directly at their Cleveland, Ohio facility by calling 440-236-6677 or emailing info@evenmix.com. Connect with EvenMix on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X as well for the latest updates and technical insights. Thank you for listening to Stirring Success. We will see you next time. Keep mixing with purpose.